Good morning. Today is a blessing Friday, guys. Amazing trade, guys. 18th of August 2023. Let me share with you guys pound dollar. We had this morning news and that helped us to bank amazing profit. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, this is what I explained to my trader yesterday at the New York session. As explained my trader, you can see a price nicely respected here. And if the market is going to respect this level, then probably we will have head and shoulder pattern, and we've been short from yesterday here at the New York session, and this morning we also had this beautiful breakout. News was bad for the pound. That was a beautiful and price nicely hit to the first target, and we bank amazing profit. Let's see if the market is going to break this support or not, but let me share with you guys how I analyze the entry. That's the key important thing. As you can see here, at the New York session yesterday, the news was good for the dollar, and we look at the intraday structure. That's the key important thing. And if you look at there in intraday, you can see here price pretty straightforward, develop head and shoulder pattern. As mentioned here, if the market is going to break this level, after that just keep taking a pullback. So you can see a market nicely broken, and after this breakout we have another pullback. That's why we announce our trader to. And once the price hit to the first target, and that's what I explained my trader, at least bank few pp's or move your stop loss at the break even after this profit. This morning we had another analysis, as you can see here, just before the news. As explained to my trader, look for the structure breakout. As you can see here, the price nicely broken after this breakout. Such a nice beautiful short trade here. Traders are still holding short. As soon as the price hit to the major support, as mentioned in 4 hour, that's what explained my trade. Is time to enjoy amazing profit. So guys, you want to see those analyses in real time? Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice day.